Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best protein powder for bulking muscle. To effectively build muscle, your body requires a consistent supply of protein. Protein powder serves as a highly convenient and efficient supplement to help you achieve your daily protein targets. It's particularly useful for supporting muscle repair and growth following strenuous exercise, ensuring your efforts in the gym translate into significant gains. We'll explore how to make the most of this powerful supplement. When it comes to bulking, several protein types stand out. Whey protein is a popular choice, known for its rapid absorption, making it perfect for immediate post-workout recovery. Casein protein, on the other hand, digests slowly, offering a steady supply of amino acids over several hours, which is excellent for overnight muscle repair. For those needing a significant calorie boost, mass gainers provide a blend of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to support a caloric surplus for substantial growth. Selecting the right protein powder involves a few key considerations. First, always check the protein content. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams per serving to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Next, examine the ingredient list for quality sources and minimal unnecessary additives. Think about your dietary needs, like if you require a lactose-free or plant-based option. Finally, compare different brands and their cost per serving to ensure you're getting good value for your investment. To maximize your bulking efforts, timing and dosage are crucial. A common recommendation is to consume your protein powder within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout to kickstart muscle recovery. For overall daily intake, aim for approximately 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. You can easily mix your powder with water or milk or incorporate it into a delicious smoothie. Remember, protein powder is a supplement. It works best when combined with a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.